Livery 851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established 27.
Hi everyone, welcome to DJ's Aviation. Today our news comes from pictures that have been shared across social media which reveal the very first Qantas A380 in the brand new livery. The pictures that are now spread across pretty much all media outlets are relatively poor quality, so I'll just ask you try to bear with me on that. The A380-842 holds the registration of VH-OQF and is the first A380 that has been painted in the new scheme for Qantas. As part of a deal between Emirates and Qantas, the airline, who has 12 Airbus A380s in service, will see a total of 8 aircraft head to the facilities in Dubai for repainting into the new RU scheme that was announced in late 2016. The new Qantas livery was announced in the final months, to be exact, of 2016 and was promoted on the 787s that they received exactly 1 year on from the launch of the new livery. Slowly but surely, the airline has been pushing new aircraft into the paint shop, and the A330-300 was the first aircraft redone. Very few A330s were repainted after that, and it seems that the airline have switched its focus to the 737-800 fleet, with multiple 737s now being transformed into this brand new scheme. Other aircraft include the Qantas Link A320s, Q400s and Fokker 100s. I'll just mention that all of these are operating with the Qantas Link titles. VH-OQF was the 6th A380 delivered to Qantas and is named Charles Kingford Smith. The aircraft was delivered in January of 2010 and is expected to fly back to Australia, specifically Sydney, during the early hours of Thursday, the 12th of April 2018. Funnily enough, this hasn't been the first time the new livery has been reported to be on the Qantas A380. A few weeks back, rumours floated around that one of the Qantas A380s was in Dubai specifically for painting. This was VH-OQD. However, when it returned to Sydney, it was still sporting the older livery. What do you make of the new Qantas scheme on the A380? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd like to take the time now to thank you very much for watching this video of mine. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. I hope to see all of you in the next one.